ang Tubod Complex, Sports Complex. Ito guys, so tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Ganda ba? Pagkaganda guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Ito na pala yung swimming pool guys. Oh, ito at saka doon ang entrance guys. So. Tingnan nyo guys. Ganda ng view. Tingnan nyo guys. Doon ang sports complex.